What's good, YouTube? Ric Flair video coming at you today. I just finished up doing the ab exercises. You want to be doing these ab exercises to help correct your Ric Flair. You see, my Ric Flair is getting better. You've seen what my Ric Flair was like before. Fuck with the exercises, fuck with me, like that video, and we all gonna make gains together, man. I don't know if you can tell or not, guys, but you've seen the before picture, now you see the after. This is what I'm looking like right now. Results damn fucking T, guys. I've been there before, same situation, if not worse than y'all was before. I had bad Ric Flair. With that said, let's get into the video and let me show y'all a couple exercises I did today, get my abs right, that you can do today at home, anywhere. I did use a bench, but keep in mind that just because I had it, you can easily do that on the floor. Guys, now we're coming outside to finish off with the last exercise before we go on a 1 mile run, guys. And this is just going to target that core power, overall core development, guys. We're going to be doing some jump tucks, guys. Yep, so it's going to serve as a warm-up before my mile run. I'm finishing today's ab slash Ric Flair directed targeted workout with a mile run. And guys, quick tip: when you're doing a mile run or when you're doing any type of exercise, always keep that core tight, man. Guys, your core and your lower back is what's gonna make you truly powerful. It's gonna allow you to generate that much more strength, and you're gonna be a bigger, badder motherfucker. So I'm telling you guys, do not neglect core training. I used to neglect core training. I'm about to run around this city, and I'm gonna be showing off the gains, man, because I worked hard. And I don't feel like running with the shirt. Come on, man, who runs with the shirt? About this man named Ryan Garcia, but they ain't heard about Jonnysanti yet.